Good morning students. Today we will study highest common factor. So let's first discuss what is factor. Okay. Factor is a number. Factors are number which divide other number. Okay. Suppose I say what is factors of 5. So it means which number can divide 5. So we know that 1 can divide 5 and 5 can also divide 5. So they are called factors of 5. Let me give you another example. Factors of 10. Okay, so factors of 10 means what? Which number can divide 10? Means 1 can divide 10, 2 can divide 10, 5 can divide 10, and 10 can also divide 10. So students, they are called what? They are called factors. And we have to discuss what is highest common factor. Means which is highest common factor. Here you can see that here you have highest common 5 and here you have also highest common 5. Means highest number which can divide both 5 and 10, that is called highest common factor. Okay, हमको ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर हो जो दोनों को डिवाइड कर पाए. तो दोनों सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन है जो दोनों को डिवाइड कर पाए? तो वो है 5, जो 5 और 10 को दोनों को डिवाइड कर सकता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर we don't have to see first example here. We will first see what are methods of finding HCF. So in your book total 3 methods are given. Here you can see first method, then you have second method, and you have third method. Okay students, so we will discuss these 3 methods. So first method, okay, finding common factor. So here let's see that here you can see what are factors of 135. So 1 can divide 135, 3 can divide it, 5 can divide it, 9 can divide it 135 completely, 15 can divide 135 completely, 27, 45, 135. Okay students, here which number can divide 120? So 1, 2, 3, these all number can divide it. And how will you find common factors of 135 and this? So they are common factor. Okay, they are coming in, 1 is also coming in, 1 is also factor of 135 and 120, 3 is also coming here, 5 is also coming, and 15 is also coming here. So they are common factors. So how will you find HCF? HCF you will find by, so students, HCF of these two numbers are 15 because 15 is highest number which is dividing both 135 and 120, because 27 is not coming here, 45 is also not coming here, 135 is also not coming here. So what is highest which is coming in both which is both the factor of this? So 15 is here. Okay, so answer is 15. But students, it is very difficult. How will you know that they are coming? So first method is useful when you have a small number. Okay, so method 1 is useful when you have small numbers. Okay, useful when you have small numbers. Okay students, so suppose we have to find HCF of what? We have to find HCF of, let's say, 5 and 10. Okay, so we have to find HCF of 5 and 10. So what is factors of 5? Means which number can divide 5? So 1 can divide 5 and 5 can divide 5. And here what are factors of 10? 1 can divide 10, 2 can divide 10, 5 and 10. So here you can see that highest common factor is what? Highest common factor is 5. So this is our answer. Okay, 5 is our answer. Here you can see that also. Let's see, this is example 1 and this is another example 2. Okay, let's say we have to find HCF of 10 and 20. Okay, so what are factors of 10? Means number which can divide 10. So 1 can divide 10, 2, 5 and 10. Here students, you can see what are factors of 20. 1, 2, 5, then 10, 20. Okay, so what is highest common factor? Here you can see 10. Okay, but so this is our answer. But here students, you can see that numbers are big, 135 and 120. So this method is not possible. Okay, means sometimes you can miss the numbers like 15, 27 like that. So this is useful for small numbers. Now let's go to another method, that is prime factorization method. Okay, you have already done how to calculate prime factorization. So we have calculated prime factorization of 120. Here you can see that prime factorization of 120. Here prime factorization of 135. Okay, by which method? We have done by long division method. Okay, so here we have to find highest common factor of what? Highest common factor of 120 and 135. मीन्स कौन से नंबर दोनों को कौन सा सबसे बड़ा नंबर है जो दोनों को डिवाइड कर दे. ओके, सो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं इस मेथड में, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में? फर्स्ट वी डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, देन क्या करते हैं हम कॉमन फैक्टर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. जैसे कि सपोज हियर विच इज कॉमन, हियर यू कैन सी 3 is common, 3 is also coming here. You can see 3 is also coming here, and 5 is also coming here and here. So what you will do, you will multiply 3 and 5 and you will get the answer. So let me solve by giving one more example. Let me write here method 2. Okay, method 2 to find HCF. Okay, so here suppose I have to find a HCF of what? Suppose I have to find HCF of suppose any number. Okay, 30 and 45. Okay, so what we'll first do, we'll do prime factorization of 30 and 45. So here 30. Okay, it is divisible by 2, so 15. Now it is not divisible by 2, so it is divisible by 3 here, 5. Okay, here you can see, so prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. And what is prime factorization of 45? So 3, 2, it is not divisible by 2, so 3, it will be 15, then again by 3, 5. Okay, so what is prime factorization of 45? Let me write here. So 30 is equal to what? 2 into 3 into 5, and 45 का prime factorization 3 into 3 into 5. So by second method what you do? You find product of 30 and 4. You find product of common factors. Okay, product of common factors. So what are common factors here? You can see that 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is common here. Okay, then 5 is common here. Okay, so what is the answer? 15. Okay students, so 15 ऐसा सबसे बड़ा नंबर है जो 30 and 45 दोनों को डिवाइड कर देता है. ओके, सो 30 is equal to what? 30 is equal to 15 2. और 45 क्या होता है 15 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3. ओके, so students, this is method 2 to find HCF. Now let's see method 3. Okay, method 3 is very useful for what? Method 3 is very useful to find HCF of long numbers. Okay, big numbers. Like suppose let me tell you first what is method. To divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Okay students, here what is smaller number 120 and what is bigger number 135. Okay, so here 15 is the first remainder. Okay students, here you can see that 15 is the first remainder 1 times, then 15 आपका बच रहा है. जब आप माइनस कर रहे हो तो फिर क्या करोगे, डिवाइड द फर्स्ट डिवाइजर बाय द फर्स्ट रिमाइंडर. हियर हम यहाँ से किससे डिवाइड कर रहे थे 120 से. अब इस 120 को इस रिमाइंडर से डिवाइड करो. ओके ओके, यहाँ देखो 0 आ गया यहाँ 8 टाइम्स में. सो सबसे लास्ट में जो डिवाइजर आएगा वो आपका क्या होगा, वो होगा आपका HCF. ओके, कंटिन्यू डिवाइडिंग अंटिल द रिमाइंडर इज 0. देखो यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया, लास्ट डिवाइजर होगा वही आपका HCF होगा. ओके, you can see that 15 is the answer. Okay, it is very easy method and very useful to find the HCF of long numbers. Let me give you another example. Okay, this is called long division method. Okay, the same method you will also read in class 10th. Okay, I used to teach in class 10th and the same method was in class 10th also. Okay, it is in first chapter in class 10th. Okay students, so let's find the HCF of big numbers. Okay, suppose we have to find HCF of 120 and 200. Okay, so what we'll do, if we do by this method, okay, and this method, first method will take very long. Okay, very much time, and this is also take much time. So this is a simple method. So first what we'll do, we'll divide 200 by 120. Okay, हमको 120 and 200 का HCF फाइंड करना है, लेकिन यहाँ सबसे छोटा कौन है, सबसे छोटा है 120. सो 200 को इससे डिवाइड करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स 1 टाइम्स. ओके, एंड हियर 120. बच क्या रहा है यहाँ पे, डिवाइड इसको माइनस करने के बाद 80. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स अब क्या करेंगे, 80 जो बच रहा है रिमाइंडर है 120 को इससे हम डिवाइड करेंगे. विल डिवाइड 120 बाई दिस 80. सो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, 1 टाइम्स एंड माइनस 80. कितना बच रहा है तो 40. अब इस 40 से हम किसको डिवाइड करेंगे, 80 को. ओके, कितना टाइम्स, 2 टाइम्स 80. So students, you can see that what is last divisor, last divisor is 40. Okay, 40 80 को डिवाइड कर दे रहा है, उसके बाद पूरा 0 आ जा रहा है. ओके, सो what is the HCF here? So HCF is what, HCF is 40. 40 is the answer. Okay, 40 ऐसा सबसे बड़ा नंबर है जो 120 और 200 दोनों को डिवाइड कर देता है. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं 120 क्या होता है, 14 into 3 होता है. ओके, 40 into 3 120 होता है. यहाँ 200 आप देख सकते हैं 40 into 5 होता है. ओके, हियर सो 40 सबसे बड़ा नंबर है. 40 120 को कितने बार में डिवाइड करता है, 3 बार में. ओके, 3 टाइम्स में. 40 into 3 120. और 40 200 को कितने बार में डिवाइड करता है, 5 टाइम्स में. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट स्टूडेंट्स दिस मेथड इज वेरी यूजफुल एंड वेरी इजी मेथड. ओके, सो हियर method 1, method 2 and method 3. In next video we'll see how to find HCF of 3 numbers. Okay, suppose you have 3 number 30, 45 and 60. So we'll do that. So students, your homework is find the HCF of these numbers: 5 and 10, 7 and 14, 9 and 18, and this. Okay, and here you also try to find A, B, C, D. Okay, up to G. This is your homework.